Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to share some Target DIYs slash hacks I did using some of their dollar spot items. So let's get started. Okay guys, so for our first Target hack, we're going to be making a mini wall hanging out of some of their dish towels. I grabbed these from their dollar spot section and they were $5, and I just loved the little vase and flower design on the white one, so that's the one I'm going to use. I flipped it over and measured out how much I wanted to take off the sides, and I ended up going 3.5 inches in from each end. So now I'm just going to trim off those end sections. Here I'm just cutting off some random length at the top. I didn't want to cut off too much because I still needed to figure out how long I wanted this to be. So now I'm going to take a dowel that I got from the dollar store and I'm going to place it where I want my wall hanging to start, and then I'm just going to hot glue it into place. Now I'm going to trim off that extra fabric from the back. Next, I'm going to take some macrame cord and I'm going to glue 2 pieces on the bottom of my wall hanging to give it more of like a finished look. And I'm going to make sure to glue down those end pieces. Taking one of those little tassels from the fabric I didn't use, I'm going to glue on one of them on the bottom of my wall hanging because I felt like it needed it there. I'm also going to glue on another strand of my macrame cord at the top of my wall hanging, and then I'm just going to use that strand and wrap it around the dowel so that this can hang. Just make sure to tie a knot at the top and then trim off the extra cord, and we're done. For our second Target dollar spot hack, we're going to be using this little mini popcorn machine that they have. This was $5 and it's super cute, but they only had the white one and I'm not going to lie, it's kind of like boring. So in order to spice this up, all we're going to do is paint this. Taking some Scotch tape, I'm going to make sure to tape up, I guess, like the little windows so that the paint doesn't get on them. I'm going to paint this with Rust-Oleum's Metallic Paint and Primer in 1 spray paint in the color Champagne Mist. You guys can of course pick any color that you want, and I feel like spray painting this really transforms it and it just makes it look so much nicer. Now that this is dry, I'm going to take off the tape and then, just make sure to clean the inside of it just in case any paint got in there. And then you can fill this up with whatever you want, like little candies or even like popcorn. And yeah, it's super cute. For our last Target hack, we're going to be making a hanging basket. And so I grabbed this little rattan basket from the dollar spot section, and this was $5. And they have like 2 different styles, and both of them are super cute. I'm going to be using macrame cord for this, but you could also use like jute or any type of like rope. And I'm going to measure out a random length that I like and then measure that out 3 times. I'm going to take one piece of macrame cord and make sure that it's folded evenly in half. And you guys see this little line here? We're going to loop on the piece of macrame cord right here to make sure that all the pieces are evenly spaced. And I'm going to attach it using the lark's head knot. So there's another little line right here, and we're going to skip that one and then go to the next one, and then we're going to loop on the macrame cord right there again using the lark's head knot. Once again, we're going to skip another one of those little lines and then attach our last piece of string. And now all your pieces should be evenly attached. Next, I'm going to take some of my wooden beads and I'm going to string these onto my macrame cord, and I decided to do 2 on each section. Now I'm ready to tie a knot at the top, and I kind of made sure to like have a little loop at the top. I don't know how to describe it, but you guys can see. And so I'm gonna trim off some of that extra macrame cord, and then you can just leave it like that. But I'm gonna hot glue the little remaining macrame section around the knot at the top to give it more of a seamless look. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!